So I got a spoiler for my car. So the package is here. Open on. So Priya is helping me today with my package. I'm taking my package. Thank you.
So we're gonna open the package. అది పాస్పోర్ట్ పెట్టొచ్చు.
ఏముంది దీంట్లో అని ఇంత పెద్ద డబ్బా ఇచ్చాడు వాడు. అసలు ఏముంది దీంట్లో?
That's how it is.
అదే అనుకున్నా. పెట్రోల్ డబ్బా ఖాళీ ఉంది. పట్టుకో.
సేఫ్టీ
యా ఐ గెస్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ సేఫ్టీ. ఓ యా డ్యామేజ్ కాకుండా దే టుక్ ప్రికాషన్స్. Okay, we don't need this pedda dabba. This part which you are seeing here is a replacement for this and this. So I have to remove this so that this will also come out, and there's a spoiler here, so it will be a big part here. Awesome, it's in.
So finally,
Cool, let's go.
we are done.
Oh, just it's a wrap done there. Oh. వేసుకోవచ్చా మళ్ళీ మనం?
అది తీసేయాలి మళ్ళీ.
యా కక్క.
సో ఇట్లా డిక్కీ మీద ఇట్లా వస్తుంది. Spoiler looks very good. I don't see any major scratches or damages. It looks very good. It has some protective layer on the top. All the corners look good. My car will already have this and this. I need to transfer all the parts from this to this. So I'll show that while I do the installation. That will be another video. But this is just to show how the GT spoiler looks like. But this is the main view from behind. It looks very good. I don't have any complaints for the price I got it for. I spent probably $350 for this. The next video will be a lot about the installation.